So, and the last time was that my brake booster burned up. This thing right here. So now I had to buy another one, which is right here. So it goes from there to back there. Now, I don't know how I'm gonna route this, but I do want to route it better, you know, just so it doesn't burn up. So hopefully we can get it driving again today, and check on that oil leak at the bottom. I did some work off camera on that, so hopefully that works. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on, and then hopefully put some heat wrap different places. I gotta get under the car and throw some of that on as well. So yeah, I gotta wrap this back in there. Just some like little stuff that is getting way too fucking hot. All this needs to be covered with a shield as well. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on. Okay, hopefully this drive goes good. Little first drive action. Ooh. Gotta keep that camera, gotta keep that window up. A little bit of misfires here and there, but I think we just got to break the car in. Truly. Got brakes. Got oil pressure. I mean, isn't that all you really need? And the scrape. I mean, it's a nice Subi. Oh, you guys couldn't see it. Ah, my bad. Alright, so SideWinder kit pretty much coming to an end here. At least, knock on wood, I got some plans for the car, but I don't know if you guys are interested in seeing it tuned. I don't know where you guys are on that. If you want to see a play-by-play on how to tune the car or street tune a car, little misfiring. Man, sounds so good. I don't know what you guys want to see there. I'm definitely doing the battle eye. I just remember my lights aren't screwed down all the way. That's good. Yeah, battle eye for sure. Restore some wheels. Probably won't be the main wheels for this car, but you know, I don't know if you guys want to see a walkthrough on tuning the car and stuff like that. If that's something that you guys want to next couple days. So I think it has 60,000 miles or 59,000 miles. I don't know, something like that. So if you guys want to see me kind of do that, I might just do some like basic shit to it. Nothing crazy. Just because this car above 450 wheel is just a nightmare, and I want to enjoy it. So I'm hoping this motor lasts through the tuning process. Yeah. But I could always do that. I could do the tuning. I could do all of the above. I know some guys wanted to see the battle eye. And I think that would be a cool concept. I just gotta figure out kind of like how to put that together. I do have some plans and have an idea for that. I just need to order some stuff. Man, this turbo sounds amazing. Alright, oh boy, oh boy. Damn, that's loud. She's singing. Temperature's looking Lloydy fine. Ooh, that's a lot of traffic. I do not want to sit in that. Cut right in here. But yeah, I do have some plans, but it's all ultimately like the SideWinder kind of thing might be close to the end now. Close to the end, which is sad, because it was a lot of fun actually doing that. Damn, this shift knob is fucking loose, bro. Put a washer in there. I think I said that in the last video. Man, it feels good. It does. But it's definitely that first drive kind of jitters, you know what I mean? But yeah, that's definitely an option. That's beautiful. So I do have some stuff planned, but it's ultimately what you guys want to see first. I'm surprised how many people are actually engaged and interested in this little car. Don't get me wrong, it's super fun, but it is ultimately surprising. I just kind of started this just because it was one of those things where I was trying to do a SideWinder. I always wanted a nice rotated turbo setup like hatchback, and I wanted to go with an EK, but I wanted something a little different, so that's why I kind of landed on this. And yeah, I'm surprised on how many people were interested in it, and just wanted to kind of like follow along, which is insane. I mean, yeah, I never thought. Oh, this just sounds amazing. I hope I don't have something like fucked up, because my God, this is a basement, so. Yeah, so sorry about that. I was just listening to the damn turbo spool. Thing is loud as hell. I don't think you guys can hear it as well. I listened back to the old audio, but I'll fucking shake the car down and do some leak tests or check for leaks and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go fucking balls to the wall. I know a lot of you guys want me to go crazy on this thing, but bear with me, guys. I work a 9 to 5, you know. Bear with me, you know. Even though I do have another motor coming, I would love to keep this thing intact for the spring into the end of summer. You know, it would just be beautiful. So I know you guys are like fucking floor at 100 miles an hour. I get it, but man, it's just a lot of money, you know. I mean, it feels good, man. Oh my God. Pull it in the fucking driveway, boy. I mean, this sounds insane. I hope it stays like this and something's not like wrongly routed, because that would be insane. Alright, let's get this thing in reverse. This fucking shift knob is loose as fucking hell. And we also gotta check underneath the hood, make sure everything is fucking dandy. Alright. We do have a little bit of an oil leak, but I think it's coming from the oil drain. And it's moving its way up. So definitely the oil drain is leaking, but that's an easy fix. And I'll probably do that off camera just because I know you guys don't give a fuck about some boring ass content, but other than that, went beautifully. So I'm gonna go ahead and park this, and then yeah, let's get a little picture, and then yeah, we'll sign out of this video. All right, so I'm in and off there. Just wanted to take a quick drive, do another leak down test now that I have brakes, which awesome. So yeah, just do a little test on what is basically I'm gonna be focusing on. What do I want to do and stuff like that. So probably like battle eye headlight for the intake so I can get some more air in here. Restore some wheels for this car, and more than likely tuning video, possibly going over how to street tune, what kind of goes into that, and then followed up by there's probably going to be some motor content, because I do have a motor coming that has around 57k, maybe 60, that I picked up from LOQK. I think it was like 750 or something like that. So just something a little different, something there's a bunch of other stuff coming now that the SideWinder kit is kind of like the meat of it is kind of done. We also have, I need to build a heat shield here that's going to come this way around and then kind of curve this way. So just some other stuff that I have to do, projects and stuff on the car. So yeah, appreciate all the support and everything like that, which is crazy for this car. So I appreciate it. So I will see you guys in the next.